right. Esther out. Right.
Shut up, you.
Left. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Middle. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Middle. Right.
Mama. Have you seen people? God is good.
Wisdom.
God is good.
Wisdom and Emmanuel. Both of you are. Center. Middle. Center. Left. Center. Middle. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Middle. Left.
Mama yangu, game over.
Center. Middle. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Left. Simon out.
I moved forward. I never even do mistake. I don't move.
Oh, are you ready?
Yes.
Let us forgive you. Are you ready?
No.
Center. Left. Salam Strowman out.
Have you seen people? God is good. God is good.
Center. Left. Center. Right. Middle. Center. Left. Center. Right. Middle. Left. Center. Right. Right. Center. Center. Left. Left. Middle. Right. Center. Center. Right. Right. Center. Left. Left. Center. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Middle. Center. Left. One last shot for you, Esther. Center. Left. Center. Right. Right. Right.
Hey!
Right. Are you ready? Three people remaining, right? Are you ready? Center. Right. Center. Left. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Hey, jump with your two legs. Center. Right. Right. Center. Middle. Left. Center. Center. Left. Left. Right. Center. Middle. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Right. Left. Center. Middle. Come on. Oh yeah. Left. Right. Left. Center. Middle. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Right. Left. Middle. Center. Left. Left. Middle. Right. Center. Left. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. Center. Right. Left. Left. Center. Right. Center. Right. center, middle, left, center, center, left, left, center, right, right, center, right, right, center, left, left, center, left, center, left. Simon out. We say left. You're in the middle. You find what happened. Ah, this is the winner. Congratulations.